Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's bathroom fan vent kit. The expected installation time should be approximately 20 minutes, and the tools required are a screwdriver, 4 screws. We suggest using the right type of screw and length for the wall you're fastening the cap to, exterior silicone or latex caulking, and a caulking gun. Roll the aluminum tailpiece, forming a pipe. Snap the male-female seams together along the length of the pipe. Next, attach the vent cap to the pipe. Ensure the pipe fits snug inside the collar. Align clips on the collar so they snap into the pre-punched slots. If required, cut a hole in the wall or use the existing hole that is present. Ensure the hole is 4 1/4 inches in diameter. From the outside, pass the pipe through the hole opening until the vent cap lies flush against the outside wall surface. Secure the cap to the wall by screwing it in place and caulking around the reveal. The next step is to connect your vinyl duct to the tailpiece of the hood you've just installed using the provided nylon clamp. Run the loose end of the duct to the exhaust port of your bathroom fan, fastening it with the other nylon clamp included in the kit. If your exhaust port fan is 3 inches, adhere the foam gasket provided in the kit to the exhaust port of the bath fan to fill the gap. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.